Hey guys, it's me CriticalCubing, and today we are going to be continuing with our 3-sticker CMLL recognition series, and today's agenda is Sune cases. Now, Sune cases are a bit tricky, but they aren't anything difficult, and you just need to be familiar with the patterns from different angles. There are 2 angles that you need to know. There's the main angle, and then there's the alternate angle. And there's also a 3rd angle which you may want to know. It is not like mandatory, it's not required, but then the 3rd angle, if you want to learn, you can learn, otherwise you can skip it. I will be showing you all 3 angles, fret not, and without further ado, let us get started. The Sune case looks like this, and you only have one of the corners properly oriented and the other 3 corners are flipped, and we need to orient it properly. And there are a total of 6 Sune cases which can again be categorized into same, adjacents and opposites. This is the first angle, the main angle, the base angle which I learned first and foremost, and the 3 stickers that we want to take a note of are this in here, second and then third at the top. So orange, orange and red. These are the 3 stickers that you want to look at. And this is the first case that comes under the same category because these 2 stickers are same in here, and the distinguishing sticker is this one which is opposite to these 2 stickers in here. So same and opposites. This is the first case, and the algorithm that we use for solving this case is the standard Sune algorithm. Alternatively, you can also use this finger trick for the Sune case. So instead of doing the U with your middle finger, you can also push with your other index finger. That also works. I will first show all the cases from the main angle, and then I will start showing the second angle, the alternate angle, finally finishing with the 3rd angle. And this is the other same case that you can get, greens and greens, same. And this is the adjacent case because this sticker now is adjacent to these 2 stickers in here. And for solving this, we use this algorithm. Like that. Now we come across the adjacent cases. These 2 stickers are adjacent to each other, and this is the first case, the same case, because this sticker will be same as this sticker, and for solving this we use this algorithm. This is the next adjacent case that you can get, the opposite case, and this time around this sticker will be opposite to this sticker. These 2 are still adjacent, but this is opposite now, and we use this algorithm for solving this. Finally, we have the opposite cases. These 2 stickers will be opposite to each other now, and in this first case, this sticker will be adjacent to these 2 stickers. And the way we solve this is U and this algorithm. Like that. And this is the other opposites case, opposites in here, but this time around this sticker will be same as this sticker in here. So opposites and same, and the way you solve this is like this. U2. Those were all the Sune cases, their recognition from the first angle, the main angle, the algorithm and the execution. Now we will take a look at the second angle. The second angle, the alternate angle, is U2 away from this main angle, like this, and the 3 stickers that we notice for this angle are first, second and third. And just like the last time, we again have same, adjacents and opposites. For example, this case will come under the same category because these 2 are same, and then we have opposites in here, so same and opposites. And this is again the standard Sune case, so U2 and then just your standard Sune. This is the other same case from this angle. These 2 are same, and then this time around this will be adjacent. And from our main angle, this is this case, the adjacent and opposite case, and you solve it the same way. This is one of the reasons why I said that the Sune cases are a bit tricky, because the recognition pattern changes entirely from one angle to the another. So what was previously adjacent case becomes same case from the other angle. And this is also one of the reasons why I said that you can choose to learn the 3rd angle, because if you choose to learn the 3rd angle, then you have to learn the patterns for yet another angle, which I am not sure if many people will be interested in. Next, we look at the opposite cases. These 2 are opposites now, and this sticker will be same. And from the main angle, it's the same case, opposites and same, opposites and same. And for solving this from this angle, you just directly use the algorithm. There is no need to do the prior U2. And done. This is the next opposite case, opposites and adjacents. And from the main angle, it looks like this, adjacent and same. And for solving it from this angle, you just do a U2 and use your normal algorithm. Finally, we come into the adjacent cases. So this time around, these two stickers will be adjacent to each other, and this is the first case, the opposite case. These two stickers are opposite to each other, and from the main angle, this is the opposites and adjacent case, and you solve it the same way. So from this angle, you do a U prime and then the algorithm. And this is the final case, the adjacent and same case, and from the main angle it looks like this, the same and adjacent case, and you solve this case the same way. So from this angle you do a U2 and then just use your normal algorithm. That concludes the main angle and the alternate angle, the U2 angle, and if you know these two angles, you can practically do the Sune from each and every angle. So if you were to get it from this angle, you have this recognition from this angle. From U angle, you again have this recognition. You can see all these three stickers. From this angle, you cannot see this sticker, but now we have these three stickers in here. And from again on the U angle, we have these three stickers yet again. So from all the angles, we can recognize the Sune case. Now you may be asking a question, hey Critical, why do we need the third angle? And the third angle is especially useful for OH because the standard OH grip is like this, and usually this side is not accessible to us. So if you were to do the Sune from this angle, then you have to peek at this sticker, which is fine. If you are fine with peeking, you can use that, but generally I don't like peeking. I just find peeking destroys the flow and smoothness of the solve, so I came up with the third angle as a means of avoiding this peeking. But for 2H, you can use these two angles and be perfectly fine, but the third angle I would say is only useful for OH. It is not required exactly. This is why I said you may want to learn this angle, but you don't need it. But if you want to solve the Sune from each and every angle without peeking, then I would say the third angle is actually useful. And the third angle uses the same position as the first angle, so this is the same position, but in the first angle we looked at these three stickers. In the third angle we look at these three stickers now, this green, and this red. The third angle again has the same category, same adjacent and opposite, and this is the first category, the same category, green, and this is the adjacent case, and for solving this case you use the standard Sune algorithm. This is the next same case, the same and opposite, and from the main angle this is the adjacent and same case, and you solve it the same way. Next are the adjacent cases. These two stickers are adjacent to each other now, and this is the same case because these two stickers are the same color, and from the main angle it looks like this, the same and adjacent case, and you solve it the same way. This is the other adjacent case, the adjacent and opposite case. These two stickers are adjacent, but these two stickers are opposites now. And from the main angle, the case looks like this, and you solve it the same way. Finally, we look at the opposite cases, and this is the same case because opposites, and then these two colors are same. And from the main angle, it looks like this, and you solve it the same way. This is the last case, the opposite and adjacent case, so opposites in here and then adjacents in here, and from the main angle it looks like this, and we solve it the same way, U2, and like that. Those are all the Sune cases and the 3 sticker recognition from multiple angles for those respective cases. If you are focusing on 2H solving, then the only 2 angles you require are this angle, the main angle. You can use this main angle from these 2 sides like this, and for recognition from the other sides you will need the alternate angle. With these 2 angles, you can recognize Sune from all these sides, no problem. The main and alternate angles are required, but this third angle is optional, so you can choose to learn it or choose to just disregard it. It's up to you. And that will conclude this video. I hope you liked this video, and I hope that you learned something new. Thank you for watching. Do leave a like and subscribe for more cubing content, and press the bell icon for getting notifications when I upload. I will see you in my next video. Take care guys, and bye.